In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to someone's Google Calendar, whether you're organizing a collaborative project or simply wanting to keep track of a loved one's schedule. Subscribing to a Google Calendar can make your life a lot easier. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get you connected. To get started, head over to your Google Calendar through your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Once you are on the Google Calendar interface, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a section marked Other Calendars. This is where you can manage all the calendars that you have been granted access to. Next to Other Calendars, you'll notice a small plus symbol. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with several options for adding calendars. From this menu, select Subscribe to Calendar. This choice is the gateway to connecting with other people's schedules. At this point, you will see an Add Calendar text box. Here, you'll need to enter the email address of the person whose calendar you'd like to subscribe to. If the person you're trying to connect with has previously shared their calendar information with you, or if you've interacted with them often using Google services, their email might even appear in a list for your convenience. Select the appropriate email from the list or type it in manually. Should the calendar not be shared with you already, you'll be prompted to request access. This is an automatic step by Google to respect privacy settings and ensure consent is given before access is shared. By requesting access, an email will be sent to the calendar owner asking them to let you view their schedule. Double check to ensure you've entered the correct information, especially if you manually typed the email address. Any typographical errors could lead to a delay in processing your request. Once the calendar owner receives your request, they'll need to accept it. Depending on their response time, this could vary, so it's a good idea to reach out directly if you know the person and remind them to check their email. After they approve your access, their calendar will seamlessly appear in your other calendars list. From here, you can click on their calendar, toggle its visibility, and see their schedules right alongside your own. This feature is particularly handy for coordinating appointments and staying informed without repeatedly checking in with one another. And that's it, you've successfully subscribed to someone's Google Calendar. You can now manage and view not just your own schedule, but also align it with others in your circle. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.